Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the ChatGPT voice mode on iPhone. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is get the official ChatGPT app from the App Store. Simply go ahead and open your App Store. And on the search bar, simply go ahead and search for ChatGPT, just like that. And once you've done that, click on the application and make sure that it is downloaded. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open the application and you're going to be logged in into your account. Make sure that you are logged in. All you need to do is click on this bottom right memo icon right over here. And all you need to do is simply tap on it and it will start listening to you. Hi ChatGPT, I'm making a video on how to activate ChatGPT voice mode. Can you shortly explain it?
Of course. So to activate ChatGPT's voice mode, you just open the app, head to the settings, and select the microphone option. Once you give it permission, you can just start talking, and it'll respond with its voice.
As you can see, it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.